Thank you for buying this 21940-50 tabletop organizer shelf from Fixture Displays. There are many ways to use this nice set of racks, and these are just some options. To assemble this unit, really to join them together if you so choose, there are many ways to do this. You can do this horizontally or vertically, or a combination thereof. To begin, we want to demonstrate how to use the clips to fasten them side by side. We're going to bring them together and simply push the clip in. Avoid the wire, of course. Clips are spring-loaded, made from a special kind of steel alloy, tungsten steel alloy, and now they are in one piece. Similarly, we can stack them up and then fasten with the clips. For detailed dimensions, there's one photo with the measurements. In the listing, there's also detailed descriptions of the clearance, length, width, and height. These are the dimensions. We now put it on a spinner. The spinner is not part of the purchase. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. We have many business and home products for sale. We also make to order. There's no minimum. Make to order typically take about 3-month lead time. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.